Okay, now I want to do one the same width down here and one up here. Okay, so I need to trim this back just a little bit. So just lift it up, cut a little piece off. Okay, and this is the bottom of the bag. Now for the top of the bag, I want that to be a little bit wider, so I'm just going to take the ruler, instead of cutting it the ruler width, just move the slide the ruler down a little bit. Okay, now see how this comes over? It's about maybe 1/2 inch over where the bag ended. So what I do is I keep an eye on it, and you just kind of keep moving it like this to kind of make sure that it stays, you know, that it doesn't flop down on you. Okay, now before that dries too much, I want to go ahead and do my stitching on this also. So go right up here. Down here. Now here it's pushing it down a little, so what I'm going to have to do is just go ahead, once I do that, go ahead and lift that back up. Okay, and we'll end up doing the same thing here at the top. I can even just support it here with my hand underneath. Okay, that's what we got so far, like that. Now underneath they usually have, since you're going to see this, they usually have a hard plastic that's what the bag kind of stands up on. So all we're going to do for that is just take the same lighter brown, so it's contrasting, kind of roll it out. Use this again to get a nice even cord. And keep it nice and thick like this. And let's see, we're going to go from down here up like that. We're going to do one this way. And we'll do one straight up there. Okay. Now if you wanted to, you could do one here and one here, but we're going to, you know, that there'll be grass there, so you're not really going to see it. So we're not going to worry about that right there.